So now, how about if I have a random shape, something like this, and I say, right, I've got to be a certain distance away from this shape. The same sort of thing can be done, as we've done so many times before, by drawing with a compass little circles around the outside. So let's say that it had to be 2 centimeters away. I'd open the compass up to about 2 centimeters. Well, it has to be exactly 2 centimeters. I'll get rid of that ruler. And then I draw circles around each corner. I don't have to draw full circles. Actually, maybe I should in this case, just to show you what I mean by that. So I'll draw circles all the way around each corner, like that. Now, to draw a certain distance away from this triangle, then I do the same thing as I did before with that line. So if I drew this line, do you see that there's a problem with that just about here? The problem is that it cuts the circle twice. So I should undo that and draw it again. Oops, it's a bit tricky with this thing. So it goes to about there. Now I'd have to do the same thing between these two circles. So from here to here. I made the same mistake. So it's always important to do these with pencil because it's very easy to make mistakes with these lines. And finally, from here down to here. So if I haven't done it again, there you go, great. Now I didn't need to draw all of this stuff, all of these arcs, because the only important part was the outside part here, this line, this outside part, this line, and this arc here. So everything inside was actually irrelevant. So I didn't really need to do all of that. But here's the thing, sometimes it does make a difference. So if I had to draw some other shape, let's say like that, and it had to be 1 centimeter away from that. Let's just pretend that 1 centimeter is this big. I could draw circles around the outside of, around the corners of this. And you may spot that something different happens with this example. So, by drawing the lines around the outside of this thing, I'll just do it roughly. Do you spot that you can also do the same thing on the inside? Oh dear, that was awful, that one. So I could do the same thing on the inside of this shape, and you get the same effect. So if it had to be a certain distance away from this shape that I drew, it could be the same distance on the inside as well. Oh dear. So that line works, and so does this line, and that line there. So the region that is within 1 centimeter away from the original shape would be everywhere that's inside this sausage shape that I've drawn around the outside. So it could be anywhere here, anywhere inside this circle, but also this part. So what I'm shading here are all of the different parts, the whole region that is 1 centimeter away from the original shape. So something that a lot of people forget to do is that inside bit as well as the outside. So there you go.